How to make only specific friends can see your future posts on Facebook Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to make only specific friends can see your future posts on Facebook Lite. First thing, go to Facebook Lite and here just click these three lines in the top corner and go down until you find settings, and here just click profile information, and in not profile click posts, and then click who can see your future posts and click see more, and here click specific friends and select them and then just save. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.